A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to our computer class. Dear children, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is more on PowerPoint 2016. Okay, you all know what is PowerPoint? Yes, if you don't know, if you don't have a clear idea, we will see a recap of it today. Okay, so don't worry. First, we will see what we are having in the introduction part. Then, PowerPoint has many objects such as pictures, shapes, smart art, screenshots, sounds and video that you can add to your slides. Now dear children, understand it very clearly. These are all the things which we can add in our slide, in our PowerPoint presentation. Understood? क्या-क्या add कर सकते हैं हम in our PowerPoint? Objects such as pictures, shape, smart art, screenshots, sounds and video. Next, you can also add animation and different kinds of transition to the slide. Now in PowerPoint we can add different animation as well as the transition. Okay, today we are going to learn how to duplicate and how to reuse the slide. Now you will see the difference between duplicate and reusing the slide. You have learned how to insert slide using the Office themes. Here we will learn about duplicating and reusing slide. You can also duplicate a slide or slides by right clicking and click on duplicate slide. First, dear children, see, this is our PowerPoint, okay, Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. Okay, now this is our home tab. Now if we want to insert a new slide, we will click on this new slide. Okay, as you have already studied how to create a blank presentation with the help of the Office themes. Okay, now first when we are selecting a presentation, when we are selecting an Office theme, in that we can insert a new slide in the home tab by clicking on new slide. Here we are having the title slide, title and content, different slides we are having. So once by clicking on it, we can insert a slide wherever we want. Understood it very well? Yes, I will just click on undo option. Now dear children, if I want a duplicate of slide, okay, मुझे इसी slide का एक duplicate एक और चाहिए. So how can I do? See here the slide has been selected, 37. Yes, I want a duplicate of this slide. I will again click on new slide. Here I have an option of duplicate selected slides. Okay, see here the 38 number is there. Okay, 37 slide is also same as well as the 38 slide is also same. Understood? Or else you can just right click on that particular slide and then you can just click on duplicate slide. See, one more slide is being added. The same content which was there in 37, it is same in 38 as well as in 39. There is no changes in the content because I have created a duplicate. Understood? Duplicate slide. Now we are having, next we were having the reuse of slide. How to reuse the slide? The option is again in the new slide. See here we are having reuse slides. Okay, I will click on it. Then I am having the dialog box here, insert slide from. So you will click on browse. Okay, browse file. Yes. Then I want to select it from a particular file. Okay. Now for suppose if I want it from a PowerPoint presentation of 5th chapter 2. I will open it. Yes. Now, if I want to reuse the slide like this. Okay, here I am having the different slide. Okay, now that presentation is being shown here. Understood? उसकी सारी slides यहाँ पे आ गई है. Now I want to reuse this slide, so I will just click on it. See here, the slide is being added here. Understood? Is it clear to you how to reuse the slide? We will just click on new slide, then we are having the reuse slide option. Now if I don't want this option, I will just click on close button here. Okay, then I will just click on undo. Understood? Okay, is it clear to you how to duplicate a slide and how to reuse the slide? In the slideshow, you can start in the slideshow option, you can start the slideshow. These things you have already studied. Okay. Next, we are having change background of slides. Now, you can change the appearance of the slide by changing its background color, shade, pattern or texture. You can also use a picture as a background. We will learn this. Next, we are having the insert tab. The insert tab has options for inserting various objects in slide. Using the option on this tab, you can insert text box, pictures, shades, smart art, screenshot, etc. Now we will learn this how to change the background of slides. We will click on home tab. Okay, I will just click on the slide. Okay, जिसका मुझे background change करना है. Understood? Now once I am clicking it here, you can see here the format tab is there. Yes, I will click on format tab. Now then in the format tab I am having, in the design tab you will have the background. Okay, the background styles we are having. Yes, different backgrounds we are having. We will click on format background. Okay, then if I want a solid fill, a color I want, gradient fill, okay, with the shade, picture or texture fill. Here I can insert the picture as well. Yes, or you can see here I have different textures like this. Okay, see here I can have a different background to my particular slide. Okay, then if you want to insert a picture, how you can insert? You can insert from file. Okay, then if you are having any of the pictures here in your computer, you can just click on it and then you can just click on open. You can insert the picture as well, or you can insert the clip art as well. In our computers we are having different clip arts. See, we can just click on it and then we can just click on OK. See, different clip arts or styles or pictures can be added to our slides. Okay, I will just click on close, then I will click on undo option. Okay, understood it very well? Yes, dear children, where I went in the design tab, then I went in the background styles, then I clicked on format background. Here also you are having the different background for your slides. Clear to you? Yes. Then in the insert tab, dear children, we are having insert picture, clip art, screenshot, photo album, shape, smart art, chart, all these things we are having in the insert tab. Understood it very well, dear children? Yes. Now next we are having a smart art. A smart art is a set of graphics that help you to create different kinds of the process, diagram or hierarchy. The smart art graphics are grouped into 7 categories. Okay, they are grouped into 7 categories. You have to remember this. Okay, and what is a smart art? Is a set of graphics जिसकी वजह से हम कोई भी प्रोसेस या डायग्राम या हायरार्की है हम सब शो कर सकते हैं हमारी स्लाइड्स में, हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन में. ओके, then we are having the editing smart art. We will learn it, we will see the topic in the practical, the whole topic we will see. Okay, first we will see the theory part. Now in the editing smart art, when you add a smart art to a presentation, 2 additional tabs appear on the ribbon under smart art tools, that is design and format. 2 tabs आ जाते हैं कौन से? design and format. Okay, the format tab is similar to that for pictures and shape, and the design tab has 4 groups. Design tabs has 4 groups: create graphic, layout, smart art styles, and one more it is having, that is colors. Okay, we will see it in practical what we are having. I will just create a new slide here. Yes, so I can show you a smart art. Okay, if I want to insert a smart art, I will click on insert option. Here I am having the smart art. See, list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, picture. These all are the smart arts which are available to us in our presentation. If I want a basic block style, I will select it, then I will click on OK. Now, once you have inserted a smart art, there are two tabs available here, design and format. Yes. Now dear children, here in the first one, graphic, create graphic, we can add the shapes or we can add the bullets, okay, by clicking on it, add shape after or add shape before. Okay, see here, it was selected. यहाँ पे मैं text type कर रही थी, so I clicked on add shape before. Okay, so here a pane is being added. Next we are having the layout tab. See, as I am moving the cursor, different layouts are available to us. Okay, I can choose it. I can choose a different layouts for my smart art. Then I am having here color option in the smart art styles. You are having the color option. I can choose different colors for my style. Yes. If you want another colors, you can choose it, different colors. Yes, and you can choose the way how our smart art will look. It is an effect. Okay, see, this is the effect. Yes, different effects are being given to us. Yes, you can edit the effects from here. Then here we are having the reset graphic as well as the convert. Now reset graphic is to discard all the formatting changes made to our smart art, all the formatting which we have done. See, as soon as I clicked here, you can see the changes here. Okay, I will just click on undo option. Yes, see, this was the effect once. Okay, this we have added the effect. Now if I am clicking on reset graphic, see, all the effects have gone. Yes, understood. जो भी मैंने इफेक्ट किए थे मेरे स्मार्ट आर्ट में वो सारे चले गए. And if I click on convert smart art to shapes or text. Now I can convert it in the shapes as well as in text. Convert to text or convert to shapes. If I want to convert in text, see, the original slide will be displayed. Understood it very well, dear children? Yes. Next we are having. Next what we are having? Okay. Next we are having the reset. Okay, this we have already studied. This group is used if you do not like the design changes you have made and want to go back to the original smart art. This I have already shown you. Okay. Now it has also as an option to convert to text to smart art graphics and vice versa. ये भी मैम ने आपको दिखा दिया. Okay, in the reset option जो भी हमने changes किए थे design में, we can go back to the original smart art. The next one is inserting screenshot. Now what is this? A screen is a picture of the current display on your screen. Now dear children, as you are taking the screenshot in your mobile phones, okay, जैसे आप अपने मोबाइल में screenshot लेते हो, in the same way we can insert a screenshot as well by clicking on the insert tab. Here we are having the screenshot option. Okay, then I will click on screen clipping. Yes, if I want to take the screenshot, see, the cursor has been changed. Okay, I want a screenshot of this particular part. See, जो मेरी worksheet थी उसका screenshot निकल गया and I can paste it anywhere in any of the slide. Understood? If I want to paste it here, I will copy this, cut and then paste it here. Understood how to take the screenshot? Insert tab, screenshot, screen clipping, then the cursor will be changed. Okay, here I can take the screenshot like this. Understood very well, dear children? Is it clear to you? Yes, I hope you understood very well the introduction part of this chapter. Now let's see a small worksheet, okay, which I will be sending you based on this video lesson. Okay, you just have to fill in the blanks once you will read the chapter. Okay, till ma'am has today we have taught. Okay, today we have learnt. Yes, जहाँ तक हमने आज पढ़ा है आप वहाँ तक चैप्टर रीड करोगे, बार बार वीडियो लेसन देखोगे, then you will be able to solve the worksheet on your own, dear children. Yes, I hope you got the introduction part very much clear. We will meet next time with something more interesting in this chapter. Till then, bye bye. God bless you all, dear children.